Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame today because today is non-farm payroll news. Definitely a big news event. Normally does cause a lot of volatility in the market, does usually cause a pretty decent move. But I wanted to start off on the daily because of the fact that my next big area of support on the US dollar Swiss is still this 78% Fibonacci retracement from the weekly. I'm still very confident that the US dollar Swiss is going to hit that weekly 78% Fibonacci level before we get too much of a move to the upside. And this is a big leg down right here. The market usually doesn't end with a big leg like that. Normally you'll have like a big leg and then a pullback and then another leg. So I do think there's a very good chance that the dollar could go up today at the non-farm payroll. But even if it does go up, I think it's just going to be part of a pullback because I am still very, very bearish and my weekly time frame target has still not been hit. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, as of right now, I just have my Fibonacci retracement on here because that's where the last series of lower lows, lower highs started. We have impulsive up, we have three waves down. It looks like it is going to go up today, and it possibly could even give us a break of structure. But because the daily, weekly, and monthly is still down, I am definitely still looking at anything I see to the upside as possibly nothing more than an opportunity to go short again for the continuation of that daily, weekly time frame downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.